got happening today, November 30th, 2024, is the official debut of steam locomotive number 9, as well as our Santa Claus special trains. The big show today is the introduction of number 9, like I said, which was built by Alco in Schenectady, New York in 1942. Originally built for the U.S. Army, and then eventually it was sold in the early 50s to the Virginia Blue Ridge Railroad, which is a short line railroad in the state of Virginia, where it ran in short line freight service up until 1962, I believe, when it was sold to Steam Trains Incorporated, where it was moved to the New Hope and Ivyland Railroad. New Hope and Ivyland used the locomotive on and off for a number of years up until 1981, where she was parked and sat out of service with a number of different ideas for restoring the locomotive, until the year 2009, I believe it was, when SMS purchased the locomotive from New Hope and Ivyland, moved it to our facility in Pure Land Industrial Complex in Bridgeport, New Jersey, where it saw a 15-year overhaul and got put back into service. We're hoping to increase tourism into beautiful Salem County and Gloucester counties, New Jersey. And Woodstown Central, which is about 2 years old, has been a great success. Everyone seems to love us. We've been promising the steam locomotive from day one. It's finally here, and we're hoping to just kind of give back to the community and offer something that's unique. Obviously, steam tourist railroads are popular all over the country, and we just wanted to give back to the community and be able to enjoy it in this beautiful area. WoodstownCentral.com is our website. Our train schedule, reservations, email sign-up list is all available there, as well as your typical social media outlets, Facebook and Instagram. Just follow us for up-to-date information, updates, shop updates, mechanical updates, and updates on our different excursions. it.